Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Price of eggs get expensive due to the low supply in Kolkata. Price of eggs in Kolkata market is going up at a time when breast chicken is being sold at rupees 200 per kg. The retail price of egg a week ago was around rupees 6 in the most market and now rose to rupees 7. On Sunday in the wholesale market, there was a drop of 44 paisa, said Sumi Dev of Kolkata Egg Merchants Association. From rupees 5.82 per egg, the price has gone down rupees 5.38. So the retail price too might go down in the next few days, they've said. However, that would hardly get reflected in the price. They've said the cost of an egg in Sealdah wholesale egg market was around rupees 5.9 a couple of days ago. So, in the retail markets, eggs were sold at between 6.50 to rupees 7 per piece. A dozen is priced around rupees 78 to rupees 85 now. But even 10 days ago in the retail markets, a dozen eggs would cost between rupees 68 to rupees 72. Thakurkachi resident Tamal Das said in the order to get a discount, he used to buy 30 eggs at once. Last week it was rupees 170, but on Sunday it was rupees 180. Madan Mohan Maiti, region chairman of National Egg Coordination Committee, said the increased cost of poultry feed is because Centre is exporting poultry feed without considering domestic demand. Also, due to the cyclone, poultry farmers sold chicken at low price, so in the Kolkata market, chicken price is between rupees 180 to 200. Rupees 1.18 crore she found off from Kolkata bank account. On April 21, a man approached an ICICI branch in Alipur, Kolkata with a fake letter saying that the officer in charge, Cyber Cell Police, Lal Bazar, Kolkata, has directed the bank to unfreeze 12 accounts and transfer the money to a CBI account. The fraudster also showed a fake police identify card, and without even asking how Kolkata police can give instructions to the bank about the case investigated by Hyderabad police. The bank official transferred rupees 1.18 crore to the CBI account as mentioned in the letter. Cybercrime ACP KVM Prasad said. From the CBI account, the money was transferred to multiple accounts at various places and withdrawn immediately, he added. Police sources said that the rupees 1.18 crore was initially transferred to the CBI account of Anand J in RGI Airport's SBI branch. Details of the account holder are fake, police said. Similarly, in the third week of April, the fraudster sent a fake letter in the name of Hyderabad Cybercrime Police to Udyog Bihar branch of ICICI Bank in Gurgaon, asking them to unfreeze 39 accounts linked to a loan app fraud case registered in Hyderabad. In the letter, instructions were given to transfer the money from frozen accounts to 4 beneficiary accounts. But the bank officials said something was wrong and alerted their Hyderabad police. The ACP said. Bank officials verified with police and released that the letter was fake. During the subsequent inquiry, found out about the fraud at Kolkata. We have registered a case under Section 66D of the IT Act 419, 420, 468 and 471 of the IPC. Pertaining to the fake Hyderabad police letter received by the ICICI Bank in Gurgaon, the bank filed a separate complaint in the Kolkata about the fraud committed in the Alipur. Cybercrime Inspector Dr. Prasad said. Kolkata Cycle Army delivers essential to the elderly. A young postgraduate student of public policy at King's College London had to come back to the city when campus shut because of COVID. In between his online classes, Arvind Kumar released that his grandmother needed someone to carry essential to her because she was homebound in the midst of the pandemic. He soon realized that there were hundreds of seniors who needed help. So started Cycle Soldier, a band of young students and professions who are spending time in between online classes and work for home to cycle essentials to people. Arvind had posted a request on social media for volunteers, and within a day an army was formed. Be it medicines, grocery, vegetables or anything else, you just have to call any of the 8 volunteers and tell them where to buy from and how much is needed. The rest is taken care of at no extra charge. Permissions have been secured from all police stations in the South Kolkata. The officers in charge have happily helped. We started with the Ravindra Sarovar where O.C. Jayanta Mukherjee was the first to give us permission, Arvind said. Others in the team are Yashvardhan Gupta in undergraduate from University of London, Norman Anwar, an undergraduate from St. Stephen College, Vishwa Laksi and Rosdeep Mantha, Masters in Art Design and Technology and LLB student respectively, T.K. Radhakrishnan from ITC Innofect and author poet S.S. Kumar. Seniors like Charu and Vilas Pradhan of Jodhpur Park are dependent on the cycle soldiers, while Nirla Kundu from Boston often asks the team to deliver things to his elderly father in Thakuria. That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.